Hello guys, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to screen record on your computer. So if you guys want to do like if you guys gaming or anything, to screen record with audio, and I'm also going to show you guys how to make a thumbnail my way, because I do it differently. So first thing to screen record is to go Google Chrome, search up OBS Studio, and it's gonna pop up to this. This is their website. This is a good thing to get. That's what I'm using right now. I'll show you right now. See, I'm using this right now. So get this. It's really good. You can add a bunch of stuff. You can add like your own let's call it webcam. You can add a bunch of images. You can add images. You can add stuff in the browser. It's so good. It's really good. If you guys really can't do that, this supports Windows, Macs, and don't know what that is. So yeah, if you guys can't get this, there's another one that you guys can get. It's like, I think it comes with the computer. It goes right here. You click this. Then in right here it shows QuickTime Player. Click that. Please don't open. No, don't open. Quit. You right click on it. Don't click it. Don't left click it. Right click it. So you go right click. Let me show you guys. Right click. Oh, whoops. Right click on this. Then right here shows three options: new movie recording, new audio recording, or new screen recording. You can do screen recording and audio recording, I think. What's new movie recording? What the heck is that? Because I don't really use QuickTime Player. I used it a long time ago, like when I did those old videos on gaming, and I didn't really do that much gaming videos, so that's what I used before. But I use OBS now because it's a better better thing to screen record. It's better quality, and you can have your own webcam. It does screen recording, audio recording, mic recording, and webcam recording. So that's all good. So this is the best one. I recommend this one. So go get this. Go online. It's free. Just go here, go down, no, wait, no, don't go down, go right here. If you have Windows, click Windows. If you have Mac, click Mac. Right now I have desktop, so I have to click Mac. Go right here, and then it just goes right here, and then put your password and all this stuff, and yeah, you can do that, and yeah. To make a thumbnail, for me, I usually don't have Photoshop on this computer, so I can't make professional thumbnails. So I have to use Final Cut Pro to use it. So my thumbnails look like this with Final Cut Pro. It looks good, but so you see, this is an example. All you do is go on Final Cut Pro, pause in a place that you want that like, let me say, thumbnail to be. So I paused the video right on where I was bunting. Then I put some arrows. You just go online, PNG arrows, put it in there, and you just type in, and then just type where else you want it. It's really good. And then you just go Command Shift 4, then you just go from the corner here. But don't do this, so let me just open up Final Cut Pro really quick. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so this one, so when you put something in, and like when you do a thumbnail, don't open this all the way up and like Command Shift 4 and then do this whole thing. It won't fit. So you have to do it, then you go from this corner to this corner, and you're good. So yeah. That's all you have to do for the thumbnail, and it works good. So I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of the thumbnail of the video that I was gonna post in after this video. So right here, so I just changed the screen to make it look better, and I just put this and that. So yeah, just go to do that. If you have Photoshop, that will be better. Just do that. But I don't have Photoshop, so I can't show you how to do a professional thumbnail, but hopefully this works. So thanks for watching. Go follow all my social media, it's going to be right there, and subscribe, hit the like button, and see you in the next video.